Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I have a lot of people ask me how to manually trade or use the bots before they sign up, and so I decided to do a live webinar. And to do the live webinar, you need to go to my website and sign up for it. It is tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and I made it at 8 p.m. That'll allow a lot of the mid and west coast to join in and me still get the bed on time. So at 8 o'clock tonight, you can go ahead and register, and how you do that is go right here to spymoneyllc.com, scroll down and click this button here to register. Once you do, you'll have to put in your name and email address and get signed up, and then you'll get an email with the link to be able to sign in. Make sure that you download the webinar ahead of time. That way, whenever it's time, you can just go ahead and log in. There's no tracking or anything like that on there. I don't bother you. It's just a matter of letting you join in and see what we do. I won't show every single detail, but I'm going to show quite a bit tonight. It is not going to be recorded for public on YouTube later. I don't plan on putting that on there. I will record it, and I possibly might be able to let the people that join in be able to have a password to see it on my website. That's something I may do. But more than likely, it's just a matter of being in the webinar, looking at it. You'll be able to ask questions, and maybe I can answer. I will answer what I can. There's some things that I keep just to the users that are signed up. So this will help you know what we do and kind of how the program works, and a lot of information about that. But if you have any questions, let me know. Again, it is spymoneyllc.com. You register here, and I will start 8 o'clock sharp, so make sure that you're on time. Hope to see you there, and hope to get some more people to join in order to be able to change more lives, and that's what we're here for. Change lives and help people get their valuations passed and keep their PA accounts and so forth, and see how the program works. You all have a great day.